Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Ikechi Onyenaka, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Nini by 6IX9INE. This is the brand new 6IX9INE song that just dropped from his new album. So first things first, in case you're new to the channel, my name is Ikechi Onyenaka. I'm an alto saxophonist, multi-instrumentalist, and performing artist from Upper Darby, Pennsylvania. And my goal on this channel is to become the next big music legend to make it out of the Philadelphia music scene. So I post vlogs, performances, concerts, song tutorials, covers, you name it. So if that interests you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. So your first couple of notes are A flat, B, B flat, E flat with the octave key. Next we've got B flat, E flat with the octave, C sharp, B, A flat. Also, in case you're wondering, all of the equipment that I'm using for my saxophone for this video are listed down below in my video's description. Everything from my reeds, mouthpiece, ligature. Also, I believe my neck strap is in there too, so definitely check it out.
Okay.
So all together we have this. Now usually in these song tutorials, I like to kind of do my own thing and put like a mini saxophone cover in here. So here's me freestyling over Nini. If you made it this far into the video, type in the comment section waves with the little emoji thing right after that, like the water emoji. If you end up doing a saxophone cover for this or whatever instrument you play, maybe you play clarinet, piano, whatever, make sure to tag me in your covers, alright? Tag me on Instagram. My Instagram and everything is down below inside the description and inside the video as well. So definitely tag me in your covers and I will repost you on my social media. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Make sure to follow me on social media. My links are down below in this video and I'll also leave them inside the description as well. You're also more than welcome to donate to my channel. It definitely helps out my channel. My Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal are down below in the description. Make sure to turn on the notification bell right next to the subscribe icon so you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Peace!